I started with the Roborock Qrevo S and loved its all-in-one station for convenience. But then I tried the Q5 Pro and wondered, did I just waste my money upgrading? Or is the Qrevo S actually worth it? Let's find out. So here's the deal. The Qrevo S is packed with features, including an all-in-one docking station that empties the robot's dustbin and then washes, dries, empties, and refills the mop automatically. Super convenient, especially if you hate maintenance. It also has dual spinning mops and a powerful vacuum system that tackles dirt and pet hair with ease. The Q5 Pro has a much simpler design. The mop is basically just a wet rag that it drags around, and it doesn't have a fancy dock. But its vacuum has a little more suction with 5500 PA compared to the Qrevo S's 5100 PA, meaning it has the ability to pick up more. Both these vacuum mops have LiDAR navigation, which allows them to map out rooms accurately, avoid obstacles, and clean without missing big spots. So what's the trade-off? The Qrevo S is hands-off. You barely have to do anything to maintain it. Just dump the dirty water when it gets full, refill the clean water when it's empty, and replace the vacuum bag every few months. Meanwhile, the Q5 Pro requires manually emptying the vacuum dustbin, dumping unused water in the reservoir, and washing the dirty mop after every clean, and refilling the reservoir before the next clean. All can be done reasonably quickly, but it's definitely more hands-on work for me. So, is the Qrevo S worth the upgrade? If you want effortless maintenance and very good mopping, absolutely. But if you just need powerful vacuuming and a mop that can pick up dust at a much lower price, the Q5 Pro holds its own. Links are in the description if you want to check them out. Like and subscribe for more product comparisons.